Welcome to week 2. It has been great getting to know each of you through the week 1 discussions. This week, we will be focusing on observations and assessments. If you have not secured your location for observations, please let me know immediately. This week, we will have our first live classroom session. The live classroom session will be this Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Please use the link in the announcements below to access the live classroom session through WebEx. If you attend the live session and participate in the discussion, you will receive full credit with no further action needed. If you cannot attend the live session, you can watch the recording later, which I will post to the course announcements. After viewing the video, you will be required to complete the live session quiz in order to receive credit. The quiz is one open-ended question where you should share your responses to all the same questions I posed to the class during the live session. Please see this assignment list in the announcement below and the course calendar for assignment dates. Don't forget to participate in the Module 2 discussion as well. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.